The new A7 debuts in Germany initially with one engine choice: a 3.0-liter V6 TFSI petrol unit, badged 55 TFSI under Audi's new naming strategy, producing 335 bhp and 500 Nm of torque. That translates to a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 5.3 seconds and a top speed of 155 miles per hour, while it claims 41 mpg combined and emits 154 grams per kilometer of CO2. Other 4- and 6-cylinder petrol and diesel engines will arrive later, although it's not clear yet which units will come to the UK first. All engines fitted to the A7 will use some form of hybrid tech, with the 6 cylinders using a 48V hybrid system. Regenerative braking feeds a lithium-ion battery and a starter generator, allowing the car to coast with the engine off whenever practical between 34 and 99 miles per hour. Stop-start now activates below 14 miles per hour and automatically starts the car when traffic moves away. The tech improves fuel consumption by around 10%. All A7 Sportbacks come with Quattro 4-wheel drive across the range, although it only sends power to the fronts when required. 4-wheel steering is also available to boost agility, while a new electronic chassis control system debuts. Buyers get 4 suspension setups to choose from: standard steel springs, sport suspension lowered by 10 mm, an adaptive damper system or self-leveling air suspension. A rear limited slip differential can also be specified. UK pricing details for the A7 Sportback are yet to be revealed, but we do know that the 55 TFSI Quattro will launch at €67,800 (£61,000) in Germany in February.